Welcome to online classes. Before explanation in this recording, I will refer some sentences as a reference and continuation. Next, he named Jeb, and the earth came into being. He named the goddess Nut, and she was the sky arched over the earth with her feet on one horizon and her hands on the other. He named Hapi, and the great river Nile flowed through Egypt and made it fruitful. After this, Ra named all things that are upon the earth, and they grew. Last of all, he named mankind, and there were men and women in the land of Egypt. Now I'll start from the book. The explanation from page number 23 of the story in the beginning, unit 2 from English course book. Then Ra took on the shape of a man and became the first Pharaoh, ruling over the whole country for thousands and thousands of years, and giving such harvest that forever afterwards the Egyptian spoke of the good things which happened in the time of Ra. Explanation number 1. Then Ra appeared as a man and became the first Pharaoh. He ruled over the whole country for thousands and thousands of years. During his time, the people of Egypt gathered crops. After that, the Egyptians confirmed that good things which happened in the time of Ra. Explanation 2. After different names of his creation, he finally shaped as a man and became the first Pharaoh. He led the whole country for thousands and thousands of years. During his time, the Egyptians were collecting crops. After that, all the Egyptians declared that the good things were found which occurred in the time of Ra. Explanation number 3. Ra had given his different names, and he created the earth and named the men and women, and finally he came in the human form as Pharaoh. He controlled the whole country for thousands and thousands of years. During his period, the Egyptians were pleased, and they were picking crops. Then all the Egyptians told that they noticed that the good things which developed in the time of Ra. It is the end of second explanation.